AP Stats, welcome to week 6. We are wrapping up and getting ready for our test on May 22nd. Quick overview, I just want to highlight a few things. If you look at the updates that I posted, please take a look if you have not yet from either me or any of your other AP teachers. This test demo, you've probably been inundated with it. Again, if you have multiple AP courses, the AP board is really recommending that you try this demo. I definitely, you need to go into this demo and try it. It's what your test is going to feel more like in terms of uploading questions and things like that. We did have a meeting this morning with Ms. Bauman, who's in charge of kind of the AP testing for our school. She did say make sure students know only one device can be logged into your test. So if you plan on using your Chromebook and maybe uploading using your phone as a picture, both devices can't be on the test at the same time. You would probably just log in on your Chromebook, and maybe you take a picture using your cell phone and you send it to yourself for uploads. But practice that. Again, go to this demo. If you plan on logging in on your Chromebook, taking a photo using your iPhone and sending it to yourself, try that method. It might suck up more time than you need to. So they are recommending maybe trying to just be on one device for this test versus two devices, just for the time constraint on uploading your answers. The other thing the AP board wants you to know about this test is it is set up for you to probably not finish the test in time. I think they're making it longer and more intense. And what they're going to do is just see what you can get done. After all of the students in the nation have taken this test, they're going to look at the results. And I think from there, they're going to set, what should their passing rate be and what should it not. So if you do not finish this test, don't be surprised. They are expecting very few students to be taking the online exams and actually finish in time. That their intention is for you to do as many questions as you can, and they're going to evaluate that kind of after the fact. The nice thing about AP Stats, it's one of the last exams, so I think everyone in here is probably going to have an AP test beforehand. Again, you're probably going to have similar vibes to it. Hopefully, you're feeling comfortable for when we get there. If we take a look at just the learning for this week, everyone seems to be doing a nice job in terms of getting ready for the review. If we look at it, again, there's not a lot of points left over. We know from what's in Skyward right now is probably going to be your final grade for the year. But please try to stay on top of this review for all of the various chapters. If you really struggled, you thought with probability, that's chapters 5, 6, and 7. Have a lot of probability in here. So you kind of decide too how to customize your review a little bit more. Do know if we go into the review folder, I'm sure you've already dug into it. I have a lot of optional different reviews for you. So if I'm again just going to scroll down one more time, I've shown you this before, but this optional review for the practice test in terms of topics, are there different topics you want to study more? If there's anything that you want for this review that you're not seeing, please email me. I'm more than happy to create some stuff for you or find you some additional resources. I hope everything is going well in managing all of your course loads that you're taking, and have yourself a good week 6.